In this video, we're going to tell you what home mortgage refinancing is and why it is a good idea to refinance right now. Refinancing a mortgage means paying off an existing loan and replacing it with a new one. There are 4 main reasons why homeowners refinance: to obtain a lower interest rate, to shorten the term of mortgage, to convert from an adjustable rate mortgage to a fixed rate mortgage, or vice versa, to tap into home equity. Why refinance now? Interest rates change daily, but right now they are at historical lows. As the year progresses, interest rates will slowly increase. So right now is the right time to refinance if your current mortgage rate is higher than 3%. At Sammamish Mortgage, we offer some of the most competitive rates, and we are ready to make your mortgage refinancing a quick and hassle-free experience. Everything can be done online at any time from any device. Serving the Pacific Northwest since 1992. Give us a call today at 866-751-1439 or visit our website at sammamishmortgage.com.